Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by securing legitimate access and earning the in-game currency you need. Focus on account verification and any available 2FA. This protects progress and purchases. Next, grind daily quests and practice sets because small, consistent earnings add up quickly. While doing that, join official events and seasonal bundles. Developers release limited Blooks during those windows, so you'll want to be ready. Once done, keep a running checklist of which Blooks you've unlocked, so you don't chase duplicates unnecessarily. Now you optimize how you earn and obtain the rarer Blooks. Target high-yield game modes and apply any experience or currency multipliers. That maximizes reward per minute. Make use of official trade mechanics, redeem developer codes, and follow verified community drops, but avoid third-party hacks. For purchases, prioritize limited time or retiring Blooks so you don't miss them. Also, track sale windows and bundle discounts. Buying smart saves resources and speeds collection. Make sure to sync progress to the cloud before switching devices. Finally, finish your collection by filling remaining gaps through official marketplace options, bundle purchases, or targeted event participation. If a Block is unobtainable due to a bug or account issue, contact developer support and provide transaction ID and exact timestamps. That's how they verify and restore items. Keep backups or link accounts to cloud saves so progress survives device changes. A key troubleshooting tip: when something goes wrong, stop using third-party tools and gather evidence. Screenshots and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.